Hello everyone and welcome back to Equilinox, where we are following our little beaver who has made... Oh, our two little beavers apparently. Three! Goodness gracious! They've made a beaver lodge here and they seem to be thriving apparently. Our trees have also grown a bit and our bees are busy making honey. So all is well in Equilinox. And I was thinking, to get more points, well, to get more animals and creatures and evolve things, we need more points. And to get more points, we need more animals. So why don't we try to kind of maximize what these biomes can kind of handle? Is my thought. So let's see if, for example, over here, let's put down another hare, another desert hare, like that, and let's put down another beaver, I think, right over here. There we go. And let's put down some more frogs. They actually, what do they like? They like a bunch of different things. Insects, mushrooms, and flowers. So let's see. Spreads the jungle biome. That's jungle flowers. Perfect. That is all over the place. And insects, we need butterflies for now. Right there. And what was the last thing? Mushrooms, right. Mushrooms, we actually have some jungle mushrooms. Who only live in the jungle, it seems. Right there. But they need to be up a bit, it seems. So let's also put down a simple button mushroom right there. And let's put some more frogs around. And hopefully that'll increase our point gain a little bit. Now let's see. Today we actually want to evolve a fly, in my opinion. Which means we want to evolve a turnip. Oh. All our little willow trees seem to have died off. That's because they don't like stones. That is my bad. Let's see if we can remove these from the water. There we go. Now you should be much happier. It is. It is grey, which is wonderful. However, it's still a little bit too small, so we'll increase this one's by about 4%. And see if we can get some really good willow trees over here. And I actually want to spread the swamp biome a little bit, as there is basically no swamp biome over here. There we go. That should spread it a little bit. Let's even put some grass over in this area. There we go. What else can we do? We still need the turnips, but we need to wait for... Right, we need this grass to be muddy green. But that costs a lot, I believe. The color, mud green, yeah, 120 points, it seems. Did it have to be bigger or anything? No, but it has to be nearby willow, trees and slime trees. Well, we're working on getting slime trees right now. But we also need to modify these so it actually is... so they become mud green, it seems. So let's see, do we have any healthy... I think we have to get rid of some of the swamp grass and put down a new one and see how that spreads. Otherwise I think there's a chance for the green gene to be overshadowed by the grey one. Well, pushed down. Also, right, we completed a launch, so unlocks the logarithm task. Interesting. And we also caught butterflies, which unlocks a pink tree apparently. So let's see. Lush. We need 10 primroses, 10 lush grass, and 4 pink trees. We also have a repeating quest, Butterfly Hunter. And we need to have beavers cut down 20 trees. So that should be going in well enough, soon enough. Now let's see. Let's see if we can get rid of some of this grass. Remove many. There we go. Something like that. And then we put down another swamp grass. But this time we modify it immediately to be mud green color. There we go. And that should eventually turn into a turnip. Yes. And this one needs, right, it needs large rocks nearby. Now it doesn't like large rocks, but I think we'll just have to sort of deal with that. Oh, does it just dislike stones? Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Okay, so it dislikes stones, but actually large rocks it does not care about. Well, that's a nice thing to know. I'm wondering if we can put some... Oh, no, there are no fish that live in swamp biomes, unfortunately. Although frogs do, and butterflies do. So let's put a butterfly down and see, how are you doing? I suppose we also should need some flowers. Maybe? Or is it just... yeah, it eats flowers, so we need flowers. Lives in swampland. Water lilies. We don't really have any flowers, unfortunately. Mushrooms count as mushrooms, I'm assuming. And this one is a water plant. So yeah, we don't actually have any flowers available in the swamp, unfortunately. They still need slimy trees, which we do not have. Although we are working on that. Yeah, I've kind of doomed all these poor little butterflies, but oh well. Over here I want more fishies. Many, many more. So let's see. Clownfish, what did you need? These, I'm assuming, are way better than redfish. They are. They actually give quite a lot of points. But the slimy tree is done. Here it is. I'm gonna bonk it down right there. It's let's see. This tree lives in the swamp biome and requires a very wet, murky environment in order to survive. It is rather slow growing, but it is a good spreader of the swamp biome. That's nice. So let's see. Can you go into a turnip now? You can. So let's start evolving that. Let's see here. Clownfish. That's a red fish. Here's a clownfish. What do you guys need? You need tropical and riverbed. That's great. And you like tropical seaweed. That's it. So let's just put some tropical seaweed down here. And apparently this likes rocks and stones. So let's put some rocks and stones first. This entire water will basically just be really rocky water. So there can be plenty of fish. There we go. And even up here, I would say. Okay, and then we need some lives in the tropical biome. We have kelp, of course. But more than anything, I kind of want to put this, not the flowery grass, the tropical seaweed down. Lots and lots and lots of it. There we go. And let's see if we can put down a bunch of clownfish. That sure should make the points go up a little bit faster. Let's put some seaweed over here as well. Like that. There we go. Now our points should definitely grow as they will when they look like this, all of them. And we have successfully evolved a turnip. How wonderful. Let's see if we can actually click on this turnip. It seems not. Turnip is out of our reach. Oh. I clicked on it. Okay, great. Let's put it right there. Let's see. You like some species, you like flowers. Well, that's unfortunate, because there aren't any flowers that live in the swamp, apparently. I don't believe. Lives in swamp. Oh, are you a flower? I guess, okay, I guess fly trappers are flowers, to be fair. Oh, and the swamp flower, which evolves from bulrush. So let's see, how do we get that? It needs toads. And we get toads from frogs, I assume? We do. So let's see. They need to be mud colored. How much does that cost? If we see on our jungle frogs over here. How much would the mud color trait cost? Only 26k, so we can definitely do that. Let's put a frog over here. There we go. So we can have you become mud colored eventually, once we get enough points for it. There we go. And we don't need you to spread any of that anymore. Right, so when we get a toad, or your satisfaction has to be high as well. What do you need? You need flowers. How? How are we going to do that? What did you think there? I guess we'll have to evolve our toad over in this area. Well, you guys have walked out of the jungle, which is not my fault. Let you evolve some mud color. Let's see some muddy frogs. Eventually. this one. Now evolve you into a toad when we have enough points, of course. And soon enough we will have a flowering little swamp. It would also be kind of nice to have turtles. You need leafy plant and tropical seaweed nearby. So let's just put a lizard over here and see what happens. They cost 24,000 points. Boom. There we go. What do you think? You think that this is the perfect place to become a turtle. That's great. Now we actually have to evolve you as well. And we have successfully evolved a toad. There we are. You will be moved over here. Boom. There you go. And I needed you to evolve a flower of some sort. These flowers? Yeah, it needs toads nearby. Okay. So let's put down one more toad whenever we can. Well, to be fair, we are evolving a turtle first. Boom. There we go. And look at how lush this is. How many fish are present and giving us plenty of points. Let's check our honey as well. There we go. There we go. And there we go. Little frog, you no longer have to make them brown. Well, mud colored. Our wolves up here are doing great, it seems. And we are expanding the tropics. So that's very nice. Like that. Very, very beautiful. And with the lizards as well. And soon enough there will be turtles as well. But let's put some more well, I want more animals. What about the angelfish, actually? What do they need? They need you to be light blue. That's what they need. Let's put you on a light blue color. Thankfully, actually, I had some life to you. Okay, we evolved a turtle egg. Now, I guess I'll put you there on the beach. You're missing one liked species, which is flowers. I think. Or flowery grass. Does this count as flowers? No, it counts as grass. So I'm assuming you're missing flowers because you have water plant and grass. Are there any tropical flowers that we know of? No, not really. We can get one from flowery grass. We just need lizards, which we have, so there we go. And we also need these things to become light blue. Let's skip through the night here a little bit. The organism, okay, that's okay. Let's just keep going on it here. Or over here, it seems. Seems there's a bit more flowers over there. And then we almost have... Oh, there we go. A tropical flower. Boom. There we are. Let's see. A small colorful flower that grows in tropical regions. And our turtle is a small reptile which eats plants and fruits. It can live both on land and in water, but requires damp areas. When scared, it can hide in the shells, in its shell to protect itself from predators. It lays eggs to reproduce. There we go. Okay. And we have a blue one here, a blue red fish, so we can start evolving angelfish. There we go. Let's put even more, well, some more tropical. Oh yeah, we got a pink tree. A cute pink tree that thrives in the lush biome. This fast-growing tree is nothing special, but it helps spread the lush biome, and it uses and is used to breed more impressive trees. Well, that's pretty cool. But I think next time we will start spreading the lush biome here, in between our woodlands and our swamp. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.